which urges us to have this integrated management.
So this SWAN framework,
it's like resilient behavior. So as a team, we discussed and we
identify which supplier is vulnerable.
of our customer.
It is kind of like we again re-evaluate ourselves over there and
Thereby, people were also feeling good. I mean,
it's the same, but the way I reflect in one way or another in the work what we do towards organization or in the whole organization.